In this assignment, I will edit it back once again, and I will add rubrics to it. The rubric feature allow you to grade multiple criteria into your assignment submissions. So for example, I can create a new criteria called, let's say, if I have an essay, for example, and I want to give a grade for the quality of the written introduction. And suppose in the introduction, I will assign 1 for the minimum length, okay, and elements, 2 points for a medium length and number of elements, and 3 points for an extensive introduction. I can add other criteria, let's say for the subject, let's say for the style, the writing, the spell, the grammar, and the essay. And for each one of them, I can give a certain number of points. And the percentage, finally, when correcting, I will choose for each criteria a certain value, 1, 2, or 3, 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, and then depending on the criteria. And then finally, Google will take care of calculating the final grade of the student based on the selected criteria. And will understand where actually the weakness come from, on which part, for which reason. Of course, I can give a total description what I mean by minimum length and number of elements. It means that the introduction has 3 or less sentences, no more than that, and only have a few elements of the those that we can find in essays introduction, such as the number of characters, the location of the story, and so on and so forth. So if I save this, now I can see those rubrics. I can save also the assignment. What's really nice is how the students see those criteria in the assignment. Okay, so when they click on the assignment, they can see those rubrics while working on their files, usually, and they can also prepare for them. And actually, the instructor also can take this into consideration while grading for the students. Okay, so let me try if I can regrade this once again based on the rubrics. So yeah, I can see that I have 3 possible choices for the introduction. Suppose that I really have an essay here and it's a minimum length, so I can choose 2 points. If it is a extensive introduction, I can give 3 points, and so on and so forth. And in this case, the grade would be calculated automatically. You see how the grade has changed based on the choice that I'm making. So now the grade is justified because the student met that criteria. So this is very nice because the student will be able to prepare accordingly. They will see the rubrics and they will answer the questions and they will write their essays with respect to what you are expecting from them. So now this is it, and the next video we will talk about how to create quiz assignment.